Hi folks, it's Lawrence Ostel here again from StreetSafe Driving Academy. I thought I'd make a little video about ABS. If your reaction to that statement is, what is ABS? Then this video is for you. ABS is an abbreviation for anti-lock braking system. ABS allows steering while maximizing braking and was developed to reduce skidding and maintain steering control when brakes are used in emergencies. When used properly, ABS allows the driver to maintain directional stability and control over steering during emergency braking, particularly on wet and slippery road surfaces. Unfortunately, many drivers don't benefit from ABS because the correct techniques for using ABS is not taught in their driving education. ABS is a mechanical way of cadence braking or pumping the brakes. There are two advantages for the typical driver. One is that the ABS system is able to pump the brakes on and off much quicker than the driver can. And the other is that it requires no skill or experience. The ABS system does all of that for you. So how do you use ABS? Well, first you need to check to see if your car has an anti-lock braking system installed. So read your manual. Check your instrument panel for a little amber ABS indicator after you turn on the ignition, or ask your dealer or mechanic. Don't rely on ABS to allow you to drive closer to the vehicle in front of you or drive faster. ABS will not allow you to stop more quickly. It'll allow you to stop without skidding, which is a big difference. You should continue to maintain the sensible distance between you and the car in front and drive at a speed which is sensible for the conditions. Always assume that even though you've got ABS, you will take the same distance to stop as other cars which are not equipped with ABS. So in an emergency situation, press the brake pedal as firmly as you can and steer around obstructions. Hold that foot on the brake pedal. And remember that you can still steer. The ABS system will prevent the wheels from skidding. Keep your foot hard on the brake pedal for as long as you need to in order to avoid the obstacle and steer your way out of danger. If you experience some pulsing or vibration from the brake pedal, don't release the brake. That is an indication that the ABS is actually working and stopping you from skidding. So thanking you for listening and watching, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Bye now.